fish too. She's like seeing cactus. She got pretty good. I'm sitting there. Olivia at the bath. Like the bask in the sun. Of course, Olivia is not always sleeping. She's sweetful. Look, so she wants to be a ballerina. She got pretty good.
As soon as she gets home,
She gives it a try. She gives it a try.
and then what happens?
What happened?
Turn the page.
What happened?
Time out.
Time out. What happened to hole?
She went in time out because she painted on the wall.
Why?
After
Nice to know and nice. That's time to go to bed. I'm going to bed.
yeah,
Why I'm going to bed?
because it's time to go to bed.
Why? I don't want to go to bed.
How does it go, honey? Read the rest of the book.
Where'd it go?
What does Olivia's mom say?
I love you. I love you.
Yeah. And she said, but you really wear me out.
But I love you so.